Hello everyone, welcome to Andy's World. So we are in another episode of Christmas season. Christmas is a season filled with lots of fun, laughter, surprises, gifts, obviously food. Now food, the best thing which should come to our mind would be Christmas cake. First would love a rich plum cake, right? To make the plum cake, the first step is to soak our dry fruits. So today let's learn how to soak our dry fruits in the right way to get the right and the best cake. Let's start off with the ingredients. The first one here is tutti frutti or candied raw papaya, which is soaked in sugar. It is available in all the stores. I have taken 250 grams. This is available in all the stores and will be used to make plum cake or fruit cake. Our next ingredients is mixed fruit, which is soaked in sugar syrup. This has apple, peach, apricot and various other fruits. This is also available in stores. I have taken 100 grams of mixed fruits. Make sure to chop all your fruits and nuts into tiny bits so that it is easily incorporated in our cake. So these are finely chopped. Here I have a total of 200 grams of raisins and blackcurrants. I've taken 100 grams each. Feel free to increase the quantity of blackcurrants because that is going to give you a lovely taste to the cake. 100 grams of cherries soaked in sugar syrup. Here I have 100 grams of cashews finely chopped. 200 grams of walnut finely chopped. So walnuts and cashews are the ones which is going to give you a lovely crunch when you bite into the cake. So feel free to increase the quantity of cashews and walnuts. 2 tablespoons or 10 grams of orange peel finely diced and spice masala for cake. You can increase the spice mix depending on the amount of fruits you have taken. This is also easily available in any store. The spice mix will give you a lovely aroma to the cake. I have taken 120 ml of orange juice. Now this is fresh orange juice. This is optional. If you want to, you can add it. But if you don't have, you can omit. So our hero for the day, rum. I have taken around 200 ml of rum. This is what is going to help us soak the dry fruits. If you do not want to use rum, you can use orange juice instead of rum. For people who don't use alcohol, but others, please soak the dry fruits in rum. This is what will give you the lovely flavor and taste to our plum cake. Let's start soaking the fruits. So first let's layer all the ingredients together. Here I've taken walnuts. You can use it in any order. Now we're going to add in the raisins and the blackcurrants. Here I'm adding the tutti frutti or the candied papaya. These are easily available in any stores. This is 250 grams. Try to increase tutti frutti, these mixed fruits and raisins for that extra taste when you bite into the cake. Now this is cherries, which is soaked in sugar syrup. Cashews. Orange peel. You can increase it more, but try to keep it at a little lesser quantity than others. That's why I'm taking only 10 grams. Otherwise your cake will turn sour. Then add in the cake masala or allspice mix. Now give this all a good mix so that it is all well combined. Let's add in the wet ingredient. I'm adding 120 ml of orange juice. Use only fresh juice. Don't use the soft drink or any aerated drink. Mix it well. So last but not the least, let's add in the rum. Now mix it all together. Use a wooden spoon preferably. Now when you mix it all together, you need to then store it in an airtight container. Minimum soak it for 24 hours to even a month to get the best cake. Every day all you need to do is just open the container once and just check if it is soaked well. If you feel it is little dry, then add in more rum and just give it a mix once. Don't keep opening frequently. Store it in a cool place in an airtight jar and keep shaking it well every day until you prepare your cake. The more it soaks, the best and moist your cake would be. Hope this video was useful for you to know how to soak your dry fruits to make a plum cake. For best results, soak it for a minimum of 3 to 4 weeks, but if you do not have time, then 24 hours is mandatory. I will see you in another episode on how to bake the cake. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for notifications of all my videos. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family. See you again in the next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.